Hi all, I'm Ishana Sivakumar and you're watching my channel Just Add Knowledge. When it comes to the tastiest food, the piquant, tangy cuisine, biryani, most probably comes in the first five. Biryani is legendary when it comes to its aperitive and divine taste that Indians totally live for. But what is the origin of this famous dish? Maybe Saudi Arabia, India, Iran or Pakistan? Keep your guess in mind and by the end of this video, you will know the answer. So let's get started. To start off, many historians say that this iconic cuisine was prepared by the Mughals with Indian and Persian flavors in a pinch. They were frequent visitors to India, and during their 300-year rule, they brought to India many influences, and biryani was one of them. A number of people also accept that this dish originated in Persia, today's Iran, and brought to India. The word biryani is also derived from the Persian word biryan, which stands for fried before cooking. It can also be said to be invented from the word biryani, the Persian meaning of rice. Another story is during the invasion of Timur, the conqueror of Turk-Mongol. He came to India in 1398 and brought the biryani with him. The diet of the soldiers of Timur's army was a pot of rice, spices and the meat available. This may also be incorrect as there were no sources of this dish in Timur's land. Popular beliefs reportedly also point out that Shah Jahan's wife, once when she visited the army barracks, found that the soldiers were weak and starved. So she suggested the chef to arrange a dish that had a good amount of rice as well as meat to provide the soldiers with balanced food and nutrition. Not only did she give the Taj Mahal to India, but also the biryani, people say. But the truth is, records say that a rice dish called OonSooru was identified in Tamil literature, Agana Noorul, which was written around 2 AD. With its prominent ingredients as rice, ghee, meat, turmeric, coriander, pepper and bay leaf, OonSooru is similar to biryani in ways of preparation and ingredients. Many traces of food related to biryani, including OonSooru, were found in the notes of the traveller Al-Biruni, who himself was a Persian. Even though the name biryani takes its origin from the Persian word biryan, the recipe of the dish dates back to 2 AD according to Tamil literature. So we as Tamilians can always take pride in inventing this celebrated dish. Now I'm pretty sure all of you are waiting to eat biryani with vanity. Before you do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Just Add Knowledge and follow me on my Insta page, link given in description. This is me, Ishana Sivakumar, signing out for today. Toodles!